E-Tech Pro Class Wheel Cleaner is a next-generation, fast-acting gel formula wheel cleaner which quickly and effectively cuts through harmful contaminants on contact, removing all road traffic film, oil and brake dust deposits. The unique sugar-based surfactant formulation is much more stable than typical detergents used in other wheel cleaners. The result is a wheel cleaner that is kinder to the environment and works effectively, leaving your wheels like new. Safe for use on all types of finishes including polished alloy, lacquered and steel wheels. Wet the wheels first to help remove any loose dirt or debris. Shake the bottle before use, then rotate the nozzle on the trigger to either the spray or stream position, depending on the area of application. Apply cleaner evenly over the surface of the wheel. Use a suitable wheel brush or sponge to agitate the cleaner and help it penetrate stubborn dirt deposits and hard-to-reach areas. The clinging gel formula foams up on application and should be left to work for 2 to 3 minutes so that it penetrates the dirt and brake dust. Rinse the wheel thoroughly with clean water. We recommend using a high-power hose or pressure washer to do this, then dry to a bright, clean finish. Once you have cleaned your wheels, we recommend that you apply our E-Tech Premium Wheel Wax to protect the surface of the wheel and enhance its appearance. Pro Class Wheel Cleaner, part of the E-Tech detailing and valeting range.